look around and check it out. Hairpins of Stelvio on this side.
Bye-bye, Tom and Martha. There goes our van. Bye-bye, luggage.
Zarnes, Switzerland, we're leaving now, and weather is terrible. Today's route takes us to Sundern, Austria, and over some exciting mountain passes. The Ofenpass, Umbrial Pass, and the famous Stelvio. And we're gonna have to pull over and put our rain gear on. Yesterday we had a break, but every day it's been raining and it's crazy. So, well, there's nothing we could do. I think, Jeanette, we definitely have to find a spot to put our rain gear on because we're just going to keep thinking about it.
And he's letting you pass.
Okay. Hold. Putting the rain gear on. All right, rain gear on. Can you get on the bike, Jeanette? Let's go.
I'm just showing 360.
Gotta move because it's just like being in a steam room. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, now we don't have to think about putting rain gear on. We could just think about when we're taking it off.
Yeah.
Yeah. But right now, there's no decision to be made. Let's just ride, and as long as we keep moving, it's good. We're having a good time. We had an awesome bottle of wine at dinner last night. A 2015 Nebbiolo. Not expensive at all, but boy, was it good.
It was also fun sitting in breakfast this morning with Tom and Martha. I love them. They're so cute. They have such good energy.
Yep. Well, just made a turn in the direction of Stelvio, the Umbrial Pass, which leads into Stelvio. So looks like we're en route now. Here we go.
All right.
What's that sign say?
Yeah.
Up ahead, everything is open. Let's see. Okay. Umbrial Pass.
Open.
Open. Okay. Ready, Jeanette?
All right, let's rock and roll.
Pretty forest.
It's beautiful.
Narrow hairpins, that's for sure.
Lots and lots.
going up the pass, Umbrial Pass, following Gretchen and Rob, but they were behind us for a while, and that is some serious pressure.
Hey,
those twisties
I'm holding on for dear life, and
Gretchen is leaning over.
She has her phone out and recording us.
That's nuts.
Fucking crazy.
It's crazy, right? I don't know. I'm not. My right hand, my hairpins, on the right turn going up is a little bit challenging for me, especially these decreasing radius ones. So that's all right. But like these coming up, it's just, I really just got to take my time.
No worries. There's no grade here.
No, I guess.
First, safety.
Yeah, I just got to really just take my time and, go smooth and just do my.
Are just unbelievable. Gretchen's hardly holding on. I don't get it.
Yeah, well, because Rob is so incredibly smooth. I mean, it's a professional. The rain, and it's good we got the rain gear on. I just put my heated grips on because my hands are getting cold. It's 10 degrees here, centigrade, so it's about 50 degrees in the rain. Yeah, there's like no visibility now, snow and fog. We're almost at the top of Stelvio, but it's like you can't even see anything.
Hopefully when we come down, maybe be better visibility.
Yes, I think you're right. Passo della Stelvio.
Stelvio.
No one's up here. Let's see. Oh, we just got to keep going.
A little bit more.
Yeah, there's Passo Stelvio here. I'm definitely going to pull in somewhere. Not quite sure where.
Oh, they're right there.
Where are they? Oh.
Right here.
Go that way?
This way?
Oh, the Tibet thing. He said.
Oh, yeah. So he said that's better to stop here.
Yeah, but where? Is that up there?
I don't know.
Let me see where they go. I think it's up there.
Where? Here?
No, up there. Up there, up there.
Let's see.
We'll
there.
I don't know if they're going to the right spot. Does that sign mean there?
Where Rob and Gretchen go.
I think it's up there, right?
Yeah, it's right
Oh,
here.
there it is.
Good.
All right, there's the Tibet restaurant.
Wow.
Bar, restaurant, whatever you call it.
Freaky
Deaky Dutch.
Oh my God. That was one crazy ride up.
Okay, you want to hop off?
Sure. Tell me when.
Now.
Now?
Mm-hmm.
You're good. Honey.
So we just came up the Umbrial Pass, and we're at the top of Stelvio. There were a lot of crazy hairpins, so I was a bit tight on the ride, but we're up here in one piece. And we're at this Tibet House thing, coffee house. We got tea, some apple strudel, and some water, and you can't see anything. And it was like the last couple kilometers are in the fog and the rain, so we're taking a break. And then going down Stelvio on the other side is 48 hairpins. So going down a little bit easier than going up, but still have to be very slow and deliberate because we're Florida people. We're flatlanders, so our practice on this stuff, even over a couple decades, is still minimal. But we're having a good time together.
Yes.
And
Noah did a great job. Those are some crazy turns.
Yeah.
Not just a hairpin, but like up.
yeah, very steep
Technically.
hairpin going, up. So I'm happy to be sitting inside right now, so we're gonna hang a little bit.
And we're right by the other groups.
Yes.
Not bad.
Yep, there's everybody somewhere over there.
So this is what we're gonna do. A lot of turns.
Oh, it's clearing up now, see?
Yeah, good.
Look. Okay, that's where we're going next.
We are gonna go down all of that. I don't know if you could see. Gonna go down all of that. Whew.
This is the Tibet something or other. And if you look over there, that's the top of Stelvio right there where we passed through all the vendors and shops and souvenirs and stickers and food and shirts.
This is much nicer up here.
Yeah. Yes. Spectacular.
Yeah, and why?
Yeah, you're talking about a place for a tunnel, right?
Right?
Like,
You know, think of the work that went into this, because each one of those switchbacks, all kinds of instructions. Like, yeah.
Presenting. Ta-da! Ta-da! So that's look at this little blue crazy splendor. Weird truck thing.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's got a bicycle on top.
This is just coming up 48 hairpins.
No problems with this.
I'm gonna follow on the Martha and Tom.
So do it like he does, nice and wide around those left-hand corners.
Yeah, he's going pretty good. 47 more to go. Go, Martha. Go, Tom. Go, go, go.
Okay, so we're at the top of Stelvio at this Tibet restaurant. We're going to go down the 48 hairpins and going to take it slow and enjoy the view. The sun seems out. And we're a team. There's some nice pictures. There's all the vendors down below. And when we get there, we're going to make a right.
At least it's clearing up.
Yes. Well, it's good we stopped and didn't just keep going.
The fog went away.
Stelvio. I don't want to stop and take our phones out, but we'll have to frame grab some of this. You can see it's kind of like a carnival atmosphere in a way. It's very festive. If the weather was nice, we could get some sausage, buy some shirts. But
I see. Gotcha.
I'll pause here briefly so you could kind of look around and check it out. And then we'll...
When this is a nice day and it's a weekend, it's all very popular.
Right. All right. Are we ready to go?
Good? Yep, I'm good.
Some video here, and we'll just let it go.
Looks like Kurt went and bought a t-shirt.
Oh.
I just saw him come out the store.
I don't need the sunglasses on.
Yeah, me either. Good decision.
Okay. Guess it's, I don't need to deal with foggy glasses.
Kind of annoying. Super annoying.
Mm-hmm. were up top there.
Yeah, I see that.
It's going to start looking smaller and smaller.
The 360 is on the right side, the correct side, like the scenic side of the turns. Whoa.
Oh, that's so not cool. The guy was like taking the whole lane while we were there.
I know.
I don't think I've ever ridden down this side. I did the other side. Not the one we did, but it's, like you said, the tour used to stay in Trento, so this is a different route.
Yeah.
As long as it's not raining hard like it did on Furka. You know, in one of those right-handers, I'll find a good one on the video for me. I don't know, I'm doing them. That's what counts.
You're doing great. Don't be
Yeah.
critical.
Right.
Can't be robbed. None of these
No.
are wrong, by the way. None of them are. No way.
So like now, you know, covering the clutch, accelerating, but also my foot on the rear brake to weigh it down. Now off the brake and accelerate out. Those turns on the outside are easier than the inside ones.
Yeah.
The insides are like, you know.
Because they're much tighter radius.
Right. Yeah, definitely. Definitely a much tighter radius. That was a good one. Slow, but good.
You're good.
Yeah, I should turn the video off. It's been 8 minutes,
It's
9
fine.
minutes.
I think this is counting the number of turns. It's number 14. Okay.
This is 32 of 48.
32. You're doing fantastic.
Thank you, darling.
Yeah.
Your support.
Amazing. You are
Your
just,
faith.
you got big balls, big cojones.
Well, not bigger than you for riding on the back.
Oh my God, you're trusting everything.
I know.
Letting it go. Control.
Yep. Which is, I know, hard for us. It's real like, decreasing in altitude. Bar, stop.
Bar, if anybody wants a drink. Not.
Whoop. Bus.
Sorry.
34.
48.
We're going to have a nice bottle of wine tonight, Jeanette. 36, and I'm going to hug you.
Yeah.
More cowbells, everybody. Oh, my fingers are starting to get numb, yeah.
Yeah, got to be.
Might feel it slow, it might not be as smooth, but we're getting there. And there's forward movement, and that's what I'm talking about. We go 50.
Yeah.
Very pretty here.
Very.
Straight where? It's only one road.
Yeah, really. This is number 45.
Number 46.
46.
46.
All right. Getting there.
Yes. 10 kilometers on this road. Oh no, here they are.
Oh.
Here's the number. All right, well, we did it. We came up the other end of Stelvio. And this is a good thing. What do you have to say, Jeanette?
Woo! Woo-hoo. Yay.
Yay.
And that was totally crazy and nuts.
All right. It's a good, I don't know, like, is it a tremendous sense of accomplishment, or is just being overjoyed that it's behind us and finished, or it's a little bit of both?
Also a relief.
Yeah, I agree with you.
I feel relieved. Yes, we did it. But also I'm like, I can relax now.
Well, here are the last two numbers. Here's 47.
47.
And 48 official. It's official now.
Okay, 1 second.
The 48 hairpins of Stelvio on this side.
On the Italian side here.
And into the tunnel. Hooray!
Yay!
We did it. We're a good team.
What a relief.
We completed that.
Good.
We're all right. Margot, we'll have to wait on that inheritance, Margot. For just a bit more.
Crazy.
Oh boy, that was nuts, right?
That was nuts.
I think, Jeanette, like now, like you could really get such a deep appreciation for the nuttiness of the road here in the Alps,
I always
right?
knew. No.
Yeah, that's true.
We went in the car.
Oh, we did. We went in the car. You knew.
It's worse on the motorcycle.
Yeah.
And I was okay in the car. And motorcycle is way more dangerous.
We're in Glurns. And
pretty. Lots of people.
Mm-hmm.
Glurns, Austria, we believe. We are in Austria. Look, Gretchen.
Oh, you don't want to stop, right? Keep going.
It's a good place for lunch, but I'm not hungry.
I'm not hungry. Let's just keep going.
Safety camera ahead.
Oh, he got an ice cream.
Oh, Rob?
Yeah.
It's funny.
Yeah, it's funny.
It's a cool town, huh?
This is a great town. Love it.
Glurns.
Very nice. Lots of people.
Yeah, I'm not hungry for that. Keep going. We just went ahead and changed out of our rain gear.
Church tower on the lake, Batman. So this is interesting. The lake level's so low that they put this weir around here to keep it flooded.
Oh wow!
And just a couple of years ago, you see what the lake level was. Yeah, there used to be a dock here that went out almost from level on this road. You only went down 4 or 5 feet. You went out on the dock. Higher.
Wow.
Very cool.
Well, we're following Rob and Gretchen. Even on these roads. So make sure I try to keep up. It's a saving grace when there's traffic. Gives me a chance to keep up.
To catch up.
To catch up, right. We're heading somewhere for lunch. It's been a good day. You know, I'm happy we got some clarity, some good visibility on Stelvio.
Going down it, yeah.
And, you know, it was fun. The views are amazing. It was more than a checklist. We wanted to do it. It was an adventure. And to see it, it's a real spectacle to see all the hairpins from up above and then to be able to traverse it. 48 hairpins. Yeah.
I'm very proud of you. Very proud of you.
Thank you, young wife.
There's not that many people that can do this crazy sport and also that crazy mountain. 48 hairpins. That's a lot.
Yeah, this is a
tired.
lot.
I'm just tired. And no, I was tired just holding on.
Well, you are working hard too back there. It's not just like sitting in a passenger seat.
Pretty good. It's like a kind of exercise, really.
A cool little road. Nice little town.
Very nice road.
That is Duty. It's hot, smelly Duty.
Hoppy Duty.
Poopity poop poop poop, ladies and gentlemen. All right, well, this is some deep vlogging going on right now.
Mm-hmm.
We just had a really nice lunch with Gretchen and Rob. I had venison, which was nice.
Which is
being adventurous on the plate and on the road.
wow. This is pretty spectacular.
It's not so bad, no.
Wow, not so bad.
Turn right up here, went down by the church. We went to land back.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow.
On the other side.
I've lost track of what day it is on the road, but we just came, today we rode Umbrial Pass in Stelvio, and we came from Switzerland, and now we crossed into Italy and back into Austria. It was crazy weather, the rain, once again, not as bad as the other day, but it was pretty intense riding, soaked, so we just showered. Go grab a beer. Dinner is in about an hour. Tomorrow, it's off to Italy for a double overnight. So we're having a great time. Jeanette's a trooper, and we're going with the flow. Peace.
And there are other cars and things. Closed at lunchtime.